In response to user feedback and evolving needs, the latest update 12.2 of SimLab Composer introduces a new feature designed to enhance the flexibility of interactive elements in VR experiences. This update includes a node that allows you to control the visibility of the trigger beam, addressing various scenarios where visibility management can improve gameplay or user interaction. In this example, a VR shooting range often has the trigger beam visible, making it easier for players to aim precisely at targets. By using the new node to control and potentially hide the trigger beam, developers can increase the difficulty and realism of the experience, encouraging players to rely more on their skills rather than on visual aids. To implement this feature in your project, follow these steps. First, open your project in SimLab Composer. Then open the Training Builder. Then, right-click to open the search window. Then type trigger beam into the search field and select the trigger beam node from the search results. Or click on the trigger beam icon in the responses section. Then, add an event from the Events section to your project. Connect this event to the trigger beam node. Configure the event to control the trigger beam's visibility by setting its value to false to hide the beam or true to show. Now let's test it.